Here I have LENOVO Tab 4 and let me show you how to use the battery saver mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's tap apps icon, find and select the settings. Scroll down right here and let's choose the battery. It's under device tab right here. So here you can use some battery settings. For example, you can enable or disable the battery percentage on the screen right here. You can see some battery usage statistics. You can choose more key to optimize the battery, or you can choose the battery saver right here. So here you can enable this battery saver mode, and to help improve the battery life, battery saver reduces your device's performance and limits vibration, location services and most background data. So if you would like to use it, let's use the switcher, or you can choose some automatic rules so you can enable the battery saver when you have 5% of the battery or 15% of the battery. That's it. Now you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.